So, this is my first YouTube video. Um, yeah, this is interesting because this is scripted. Um, maybe it's like a daily vlog or something of the sort. I'm just trying something new. I got subscribers. Maybe you more subscribers. I don't even know who you are. Maybe this channel is a little bit because I look back at more subscribers. Man, great. Thank you. Thank you. But I think it's something that I've wanted to do for quite some time. It's been rooting up me because I did YouTube. It's pretty cool. I was, I guess, really kind of pushing off the edge. Finally did was, I was watching, obviously, the biggest YouTuber ever, PewDiePie. Pretty good. And, he made a video going back to his childhood, and he just opened up, and it was great. It was fantastic to see, and I think I learned a lot from that video. I saw a man with 92 million. I mean, he has enough subscribers to probably fill the whole country. Probably more than Japan. Probably more than Japan. But you see this person that big and that well known, and no, he's not a sellout. He's not somebody that cheats. He's not bandy. He's not rocking. Maybe in an apartment, cameras, they sort of like I'm doing right now. He's telling you and giving you a little bit of opening to his life and showing you where he came from and what he thought at the time, and he told me that he's in a really tight spot and really tough spot, and he wants to try something. I think that's with a lot of YouTubers that jump at the foot that want to try something new. And what separated, or what I'm trying to figure out is what separated a person like PewDiePie from, I'm pretty sure, billions of people that YouTube that make video every day and probably will never get over 100 subscribers. What did he do differently to amass 90 million subscribers? That's a big thing. And that's another question I got to ask myself about the channel. So I want to go or want to do with the channel. If ever seen this, or more subscribers, you should know that I have love video gaming. I have video gaming quite often, so I do gaming in there. I love comic books, and comic culture. I freaking love it. I mean, it's great. I think that's my escape, my escape from everything. But I also think that I can't keep escaping like that off the ride. That's my life. Because living is one and the same. It's really no escape from life. You can't really escape life. I love helping people. I love people. Work. I want to get out of that I hate my job. But I see my job as something that's helping me, and I see my job as something that always helps me and continue to help me. So I want to factor that to my YouTube channel as well. That's my goal, of course. As I'm driving home from work, as you can see, terrible, unedited, unscripted, nothing. But this is the first one. This is where I'm going to jumpstart my attempt at YouTube career. And I think we're for trying to take off myself to try it. I mean, there's nothing more to it. There's nothing more in terms of I don't know how to say it. There's nothing more. There's more to. Obviously, there's more to life than work. But I think as I'm looking at life around, as I'm navigating life, I think that I'm a person that feels different, and I go out life differently. And I feel like there's more to me, and I know there's more to me. So I think the first step of anything will start a YouTube channel. I know it's probably the most basic step ever, but I mean, you gotta start somewhere. When I saw PewDiePie's video, I mean, he probably felt the same way. Everybody started a YouTube channel felt the same way. You gotta start somewhere. I think that's where I'm gonna go with that, and I'm gonna take that there. Yeah, that's where I'm gonna go now. That's the start of the YouTube channel. I don't even know what I'm called. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. This is just a day log, as my little brother says, vlog. I don't remember normal life on the first. Personal everybody, and I think that's something we forget is that these bigger YouTubers are people just like us. They do things and say things, and we forget that they're actual people. And I think this video serves a reminder. If anything does change this channel, I'm a person that you look back and video and this person, this person that wants to try something. I think I run into the wall in life, and I've been trying new things since a couple days ago, and this is one of those things I'm going to try something new. And I'm going to do it. Why not? Why not? Why not do it? There's a lot going on right now, and there's a lot of things happening. And I think the last thing somebody needs is another person that's saying, I give up. Stop. I don't want to do this no more. I don't want to continue. I think that we have another person that's going to ask you to fight it. Here's how it's done. You're back in the what do you do? Change life. Change the way you look at life. You look up. You breathe. You live. So that's what I'm doing. I'm figuring out life. I'm figuring out this YouTube channel. So it's going to be growing together. I really don't know who my subscribers are. Probably people I know, my girlfriend and my little friend. So I thank you for the support show fame and all. But no, I'm very much so excited to start this and see what the skills I had to do this the other day. It just wouldn't go right. I kept telling myself to do it, just do it. I mean, I kept telling myself, I see all these YouTubers and I kind of on video, what I got off, Who am I? And that's one thing I don't know. Who am I? I know what I love and I know what I want to do. I know basically, I know a little bit about life living, about living I live. So I think this is where I go and say, welcome to my channel. I don't know anything about it. I don't know the content. I don't even have a title or anything for the video. I'm literally starting fresh. But I believe as I gain more subscribers, there'll be more ideas. Because I need help. I need help. I need help from people. And that's who I want to help in turn. We're just helping each other out. So yeah, thank you for the quick interview. It was pretty interesting to make this. I've never known to do this. I've always been on my phone all the time looking at it. We'll see where it goes. I'll stick with it. I'll stand by it. If I have 10 subscribers, I'll see where I'm at in 6 months. If I grow a little bit, see where I'm at in another 6 months. If I grow a little bit, I'm 10 years in my job. I'm 2 times living. I won't put all my shit in YouTube. I don't think that's very smart. I think a lot of YouTube starting and put all their shit into this. I think there's a point where you have to decide where I can put all my shit to YouTube. And I'm not that. So, just first, my name's Michael. You'll see my profile picture as Captain America. That's my favorite hero. So that's a good idea where the channel is going. You'll Captain America first. I'm approaching 10 mark. I was monetized. That's great right now. I don't know. But yeah, can't wait to show things and show off some cool things or figure out where I'm going with it because I'm a different person and I'm willing to find out what that difference and how can I make a difference and how can I be served to the people and start a YouTube channel. So thank you.